Hi, and welcome to another Bake Blogging vlog post. This entry is all about the sweet potato pie. There are a plethora of fantastic recipes out there, and this one in particular is no different, except for the fact that this one is a unique twist on the classic version. I like this recipe a lot. It's smooth, creamy, and rich, but it's dense, and that's not always something you want to eat following a heavy meal. This recipe, on the other hand, is both light in texture and flavor. Notice how its ingredients aren't very different from the previous recipe, but this version is nice and fluffy because of how we'll be handling the ingredients, so let me show you how it's done. I'll be making a graham cracker crust, but you can surely go the pie crust route. Crush them and add in some melted butter. Form a crust and pre-bake for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, then allow to cool. Now puree the sweet potato with melted unsalted butter, nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt, then set aside. After separating your eggs, whisk only the whites to soft peaks, then transfer it to another bowl. Beat the egg yolks with sugar until they are creamy and yellow in color. Then add in the sweet potato mixture and stir until incorporated. Mix in the buttermilk and then finally fold in the egg whites. Pour this mixture into the pre-baked crust and bake in the middle rack until the center is firm and has set. This will take approximately 35 to 40 minutes. Cool completely before slicing. See how the texture of the pie is light and fluffy?